Hello, good morning, afternoon. We are now going to talk about, nah, I'm just joking. Y'all are looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, so we have talked about changing a table into an equation, correct? We talked about an equation going to a table, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that information, whether we're given a graph or an equation, whether we're giving an equation or a table, and we're going to graph it. So by the end of today, you will be able to find, given either of these three, either a graph, either a table, or either an equation, and be able to do the other two. So y'all are going to be super smart after today. I mean, not that y'all weren't smart coming into today, but y'all are going to be even smarter. Okay, so looking at number 1, we've got complete the table for y equals x plus 3. So I'm going to highlight this so I know what my equation is. It's very important. Now, if I look over here at my table, just like you were doing on your work from earlier, it gives me my x values, correct? Yes. Okay, so all I need to do now is plug it in. I'm going to do y equals, what is my input? Negative 5 plus 3. All right, what is negative 5 plus 3? What is negative 5 plus 3? Rainy. Negative 2. So when I put in negative 5, what gets spit out? Negative 2. Negative 2. Everybody agree? Yes. Awesome. I'm going to do that again. Remember, I'm showing my work. Every single one of you should be able to show your work. All right, next one. Y equals, I'm putting in a 0 plus 3. What is 0 plus 3? 3. So I inputted a 0 into that equation and outputted was a 3. Next one, I'm inputting a what? 4 into my equation, and output would be my 7. Very good. All right, so that was pretty easy, right? Yes. So now we're going to go ahead. Now I have my equation, I have my table. Now we're going to come over here and we are going to graph it. Just a reminder, my horizontal line is my x, and my vertical or vertically challenged people would be my y. I'm just throwing that out there. Horizontal and vertical. Now, when I come over here to my table, x, comma, y. This is my ordered pair. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write out all of my ordered pairs. Negative 5, comma, negative 2. Next ordered pair, 0, comma, 3. Next ordered pair, 4, comma, 7. Now can I plot those? Yes. Absolutely. Negative 5, zoop, to negative 2. Oh, that's got to go down. And bam. 0, 3, 0, and up to 3, bam. Bless you. And then 4, and up to 7, bam. Did I plot 3 points? Yes. Are those the 3 points that were in my table? Yes. And we know that my table is correct because I used my equation to do that, yes? Yes. All right, check this out. What I love about these little tables and graphs is, guess what? I can connect the dots, and if I continue to draw this straight line, any point that falls on this line, anywhere on this line, will make this equation true. No matter where it is, as long as it is on this line, it is on that equation. Pretty cool, right? All right. One more thing before we move on. What type of relationship is this? Vincent?
Additive.
Additive. I'm going to write that there. Additive. Perfecto. All right, let's check out number 3. We're going to jump over here to do number 3. We have y equals negative 2x. What does it mean when it's back to back like that? JC? Multiplication. So I've got y equals negative 2. I'm going to input a what? Negative 4. And what is going to come out? Negative 2 times negative 4? Go for it. Aubrey.
8.
Positive or negative? Positive 8. Perfect. Next one. I'm going to input a negative 2. I'm going to input a 0. And McKenna, negative 2 times 0 is? Anytime you multiply by a 0, you get? 0. Don't freeze up. It's okay. All right, my next one. I'm going to input my 3. And what is my output going to be, Clayton? Negative 6. Perfect. All right, let's write my ordered pairs. Negative 4, 8. 0, 0. And 3, negative 6. Do I have some points to plot here? Yes? All right, so let's plot them. Negative 4, positive 8. 0, 0. What is another word, vocabulary word for 0, 0? Justice. Origin, point of origin. Very good. And then we go 3, negative 6. Guess what? If I take these lines, again, any point along this line will make this equation true. What do I notice? Where did I go through here? I went through the origin. Did I go to through the origin here? No. Just a thought. Keep that in the back of your mind. What type of relationship is this? Jeffrey. No, it's not subtractive. There's not even a relationship for subtractive. Paige. Multiplicative. All right. All right, everybody have that down?
Yes.
Great. Let's jump. I'm going to come straight down here to number 4. So I want to make sure we get to talk about number 4 before the bell rings. All right, it says to complete the table for, sorry, I forgot to highlight that up there. Complete the table for the equation of y equals negative x minus 2. Ooh, this looks hard. All right, let's talk about this for a second. Negative x. All right, so this negative sign means the opposite. So this is like saying the opposite of what? X. Right? The opposite of x. That's what this means. The opposite of x. So when I come up here to put it into my equation, y equals the opposite of x. What is x? So what is the opposite of -3? JC? Positive 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? Everybody. 1. All right. Next one. Y equals the opposite of 0. Rainy? 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is what, Mason? -2. Last one. Y equals the opposite of 4 is what? -4 minus 2. Keep change, and I'm going to get what is my output? McKenna. -6. Pretty easy, right? And then I'm going to go through here and I'm going to do what? Plot it. What type of relationship is this? Go for it. Additive. All right. Come over here real quick and look at number 7 and 8. Notice that these do not have x values, nor do they have y values, correct? What you are going to do is you are going to choose your own x values. So I may choose 0, and I'll put a 0 in here and find out what that value is. I may choose -5. I may choose 1. I may choose -3. Whatever you want to choose, you're going to put that in for your x value and figure out what your y value would be. Yes? Same thing for number 8. So for the remainder of class, you are going to complete this page. Everybody understand? All right. Have fun.